Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple but powerful strategy. Alright, this strategy is designed in such a way that even if you are a beginner, alright, even if you are just coming into the market today, you'll be able to understand and use this strategy, okay, to make money profitably from the market on daily basis, okay. And also another thing you need to know about this strategy is that it provides you with multiple entry opportunities, okay. So before I explain how the strategy work, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works, okay. So you first of all click on this F icon. After clicking on that, we are going to search for the average directional movement index, which is our first indicator. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your average directional movement index. All right, the period is 137. The level, you have to leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the style here, you make it the color of your background. I'm using a black background right now, so you make it black and 1 pixel. All right, now the plus D1, you are to make it color green. 3 pixel, you click on done. You click on done. All right, the minus di or d1, whatever it is, you make the color red, you make it 3 pixel, then you click on done. Right, so that's it for the first indicator here. Now the second indicator we have here is moving average, right? So you click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon here in order to add the moving average under the average directional movement index, okay. So you click on this plus icon, you search for a moving average. Now for the moving average, you are going to set the property like this, right? The period is 10, shift is 1, method is simple, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now the style, you make it color yellow, 3 pixel, you click on done, right? The last indicator we have here is still a moving average, right? So you click on this plus icon again, you search for your moving average. The period is 20, shift is 1, method is simple, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now the style, you make it color blue, 4 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, you are going to have a screen like this one. Now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. I mean the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account, okay. So this particular strategy I'm talking about, even if you are a beginner, you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account. All right, so this strategy is strictly designed for trading boom and crash. All right, so if you are interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. All right, make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy, okay. So that's that about that. All right, now back to the topic of the day, which is this strategy right here. All right, so now how does this particular strategy work? All right, it's a very simple strategy to understand. All right, so as you can see, this red line here is serving as your overbought level. All right, and this green line here is serving as your oversold level. All right, so whenever this yellow line here gets to the overbought level, all right, that means the price has overbought, and any moment from this area is going to start reversing. All right, now this yellow line and this blue line here is going to tell you when price is reversing, right? So now whenever you see this yellow line here crossing below the blue line, all right, so whenever it crosses below the blue line, that's a signal that you should go in for a sell, right? And now this is how you take advantage of this. So this is the area the yellow line crosses below the blue line. You can see this is the area here. All right, so immediately you see this crossing happening on the indicator window here, you are to observe the main chart. All right, so immediately you see the crossing happening, all right, you are to go in for 5 candles, right? You go in, you pick 5 to 10 candles and you exit the market. All right, but it's recommended you take only 5 candles in order to be safe. All right, in order not to be caught with any spike in the market. All right, so you pick 5 candles and then you exit, you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. All right, like I said earlier, this strategy has multiple entry opportunities, right? So you can see this is the condition being met here. All right, you can see that the condition was previously met here, and as you can see, Adibin, you are there when it happened. You'll be able to take 5 candles from this area here, right? So let's go back again. You can see the condition was met here also. All right, so you wait for the condition to happen, the condition for this strategy to be complete, right? So once you wait for the condition, then you go in for your 5 candles, right? You see that you'll be able to take 5 candles here before any spike will come, right? So here again, let's go back. You can see around this area here again, you see that you'll be able to take 5 candles before any spike will come. All right, so this is a very strong and powerful strategy, and it's very simple with multiple entry opportunities. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to backtest the strategy just like as I'm doing now, or you demo trade it for like a week or two to actually see how it works. Okay, don't just take my words for it. All right, I'm not the market maker. Make sure you do the backtesting or the demo trading for yourself for like a week or two before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's that for that. All right, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Okay, so if you know you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe or the follow button. All right, so that you can follow me and get updates whenever I drop a powerful strategy or an educational video like this. Okay, so that's that for that. All right, now for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel where I drop free signals on daily basis. Okay, so I drop free signals and trading tips that will help you grow as a beginner. Okay, so if this is something you want, then you check the description of this video. You are going to see the link to my Telegram channel there. Make sure to click on it and join us. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.